Pity can be virtuous under some circumstances.
So again, this subject doesn't have anything to do with pity. So again, huge straw man. Oh yes, we're going to talk about animal rights and the subject is somehow pity. And that pity is somehow virtuous, which, will somebody explain to me how exactly pity is virtuous? Isn't the only thing that's virtuous is being intellectually honest? And you're being completely intellectually dishonest to sit there and say that the subject of animal rights has something to do with pity. No, it has to do with something to do with acknowledging the fact that organisms fit into the same categories that we do. And the rights we acquire, we've acquired them because we have those properties, and that the animals have those properties. You can harm them. That's the big one in the category. That's the big property to have, being harmable. Harmable. If I was to make an argument to aliens coming here to eat you or to molest your children, wouldn't I make the same argument to them? Wouldn't I say, well, yeah, look, yes, you're much smarter than we are, okay, and you can do fancier math than we can, but look, we have this fundamental capacity, okay, we have this investment in our lives, we're living a narrative, we're trying to do our best and trying to get our satisfaction and our comfort, and we're substantially trying to do it in kind of responsible ways, and, you know, animals, by their definition, they can't know what we know, so yes, they will hurt each other and harm each other and kill each other and destroy each other in all kinds of not pleasant ways, but it's only because they're ignorant. But I'm just saying, wouldn't I make the same argument defending the fact that why do you aliens want to come here and cause a bunch of unnecessary harm? You're just going to make a TV show out of it? You mean you're going to like rape the children? You're going to rape Mr. Jordan Peterson's children? You know? Rape them for a TV show? Well, now what exactly would be the difference between the argument I would make than your fucking rape argument? You're making an argument that you're entitled to rape. Do you want the aliens to be saying the same bullshit you're saying? Which is, I know I'm so much superior than you are. You're our trailer hitches. You don't have any of the properties we have, when they're going to have exactly the same properties. I mean, amazing duplicity. You're such a dishonest piece of crap.
It's also virtuous.
Again, there's no virtue in anything called pity. There's virtue in respecting the truth, respecting facts, respecting evidence. And all the evidence points to the fact that most of the mammal community, all right, is doing substantially the same thing we're doing in terms of having a meaningful, conscious experience. Their welfare matters. Their suffering matters. Suffering matters.